At a certain time, a float plane is 300 meters above the water and 430 meters away from an observer. Sort of like Dawson, your distance thing on your app that you had found. This would be more realistic, right? You could, because you look through it and you see the distance you are away from something. So we draw a picture. We know that the distance here is 430 meters. And the height above the ground is 300 meters. So you imagine two different people having the same app. One person measures straight up and they get 300 meters. The other person is far away from it and they measure 430 meters. Remember what angle of elevation was? This definition? Going from the horizontal looking up. So an angle of elevation always starts from a horizontal line looking up. So this will be the angle that would be the angle of elevation. That's what we want to find to the nearest degree. The angle we're finding there is theta. Now, according to that angle, the 430 would be the hypotenuse, because that's always opposite the 90 degrees. And the 300 would be the opposite. So are we going to use sine, cosine, or tan? Sine. Sine of angle theta will be the opposite, 300, over the hypotenuse, 430. That's my sine ratio. If I want to get theta by itself, I have to get rid of the sine. The opposite of sine is sine inverse. And go to our calculators. Sine inverse 300 divided by 430. 44.2 to the nearest degree would be approximately 44 degrees.